Hello dear. Look, our second insulating line at a Serbian factory hit full load stable run on its second day of commissioning. Everyone's impressed with its efficiency, and it's helping the factory compete better in the local high-end glass market. The ALB GLASS team handled installation and commissioning. The line uses PLC servo and photoelectric detection for precise, smooth processes. The factory chief said, "Efficiency and stability are way better than expected." The factory buying a second line shows they trust ALB Glass's quality. The line's super automated, it cuts costs, works for different glass specs, and cranks out high output right away, helping the factory grab market chances. Sticking to stability, efficiency, professionalism, this fast commissioning proves ALB Glass's machine is reliable and competitive globally.